Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to perform gua sha on yourself, and I just want to show you how simple it is. We're going to be using my tool. This is the gua sha stone that I created. It is amazing. I can't wait to share it with you. This routine is the basic, it's the fundamentals of gua sha. It's super easy to follow along. So here we go, let's get started. You have three angles. You have the teeth, the larger wave, and the smaller wave. Using the smaller wave starting at the back of the base of the neck, you're going to cup the spine, and with firm pressure, you're going to work up into the hairline, releasing tension, bringing blood flow to the head and face. And you can do about 3 to 10 reps here. Then you're going to take the wave or the teeth, and you're going to go on the side of the spine, starting at the base of the back of the neck, and you're going to work up into the hairline. Nice and slow, firm pressure, anywhere from 3 to 10 reps. You're then going to go where the shoulder and arm connect using either the teeth or the longer wave. You're going to slowly work up and stop right by the ear. You always want to go into the hairline, and again, you're going to be putting firmer pressure if you're using the larger wave and just a little bit less pressure if you're using the teeth. Then you're going to go down right from under the ear to right above the clavicle. So you're kind of on that SCM muscle. You see that muscle protruding. You're going really nice and slow, feather-like strokes here. No pressure. Give a little wiggle. Then you're going to take the teeth and you're going to work right up the front of the neck. This is very, very gentle feather-like pressure. Again, 3 to 10 reps. You're then going to take the teeth again, and you're going to go up. Still, you're on the front of the neck, and you can overlap as you just cover more surface area. You're going up, very gentle here as well, using the teeth. And this is just releasing tension in the neck. You're then going to take any flat surface of the stone, and you're going to work under the chin and jawline, feather-like strokes, gliding all the way out to the ear. So you're gliding out towards the ear with feather-like strokes. You're going to go nice and slow. Then you're going to take the smaller wave, you're going to cup the jawline, and you're going to work all the way gliding right to the ear. You can work out some of those tension knots with little wiggles. Okay, then you're going to work above the jaw, and here you could put a little bit firmer pressure. Really going nice and slow and releasing the tension, creating space for flow of oxygen, blood, and nutrients. You're going to take the teeth and you're going to start to move up the face. So again, 3 to 10 reps on each part. And you're going nice and slow. You're not digging into the face. You're putting it's very gentle, slow, relaxing movements here. You want to go all the way to the hairline, even into the hairline. So when using the teeth, you definitely want to ease up on the pressure. And here you're kind of touching up on the crow's feet, And you're going up into the hairline, and here it's also just on the side of the eye, you're going into the hairline. Then you're going to use a smaller wave, and you're going to start to, right on the orbital bone, you're going to start to glide out towards the hair. Right on the orbital bone, not directly under the eye, but right on the bone, you're going to go and glide out 3 to 10 reps. This is very, very gentle pressure as well. Then you're going to just glide the tool along the orbital bone. Still very gentle pressure. Support the skin with the other hand. You're going to do little wiggles, little zigzag wiggles along the orbital bone and to the hair. Along the orbital bone, little zigzags, gentle pressure, increasing blood flow, releasing tension, bringing nutrients to the area. You're then going to work on the cheekbone. So you're going to be gliding all the way up, and here you could put a little bit more pressure. This is sculpting the cheekbones. You're going to put pressure into the brow bone. Starting at the beginning of the brow, you're lifting into the brow bone and gliding out at the same time, and this should feel amazing. It should not be painful, it should be very releasing. Then you're going to take this little angle and you're going to just release tension under the brow. Take the teeth, and with your opposite finger, with your opposite hand, you're going to just slowly glide up, releasing facial fascia. Definitely work into the hairline here. There are a lot of lifting points up there. You're going in, just up, moving towards the hairline, moving along across the forehead. And this is very gentle using the teeth. You can put a little bit more pressure if you use the longer wave angle, which you can do as well. But nothing should be painful. Everything should feel really nice. It is more of a gentle therapy. You're then going to glide out, glide out, glide out. Using the larger wave, you can put a little bit more pressure and glide out. This covers a large surface area. You could go up the nose. This deep puffs also just gets the lymph moving. Releases tension that also accumulates there. You're gonna support with your opposite hand, and with a nice firm pressure, you're gonna work out those tension knots that accumulate around the lips. And you can kind of go in a little bit of a diagonal and then make little circles right under the cheekbone, gliding out into the hairline. You can repeat that as many times as you want. You can stop, take a couple of deep breaths, and keep going, work into the hairline. This feels amazing. Then you kind of do whatever it is that you want to do, go over whatever area you want to go over. Once again, refer back to the neck. That is where it all begins. Whatever is going on the face is a result of what's going on the neck. So make sure to really release that tension, and then Finish off with some gentle strokes from right under the ear to above the clavicle, moving that lymph. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.